This is Sparky. No, this is Lucky, the blind pigeon, outside in the rain. He just loves it. This is great stuff. Yeah. He's just totally relaxing in the rain. This is a good thing. You know what's amazing is he's blind, but he can reach up with his foot and scratch his head, his face. But, you know, he doesn't really have to worry about poking his eye out because there's not much left of it. The result of being attacked by a bird of prey. You can hear the other one in the background. Let's go see him. He likes to fight. Here's the fighter. Here's the fighter. Oh yeah, you're a tough guy. Oh yeah, tough guy. Yeah. Got a handful of bird. Ow! Ow! Hey, you're just badass, aren't you? Oh yeah, just badass. Just badass. Just badass. Ow! 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 Now what are you gonna do? He loves this game. It makes him feel really tough. You can kick anybody's butt. Yes. Oh, what magnificent wings you have. Oh, yes, beautiful wings. Ow! Now who's boss? Ow! Nice birdie. Nice birdie. Nice birdie. All right, let's go back and see the other bird. Let's see. Total relaxation here. And the rain. I didn't realize birds like the water so much. So he opens his wing to get the water underneath. That's very important. Almost not enough water. Alright, well my phone's getting too wet, so we'll have to knock this one off here. But if I got out this hose with a sprinkler, you know, a shower head on the end of the hose, pattern of water, he would love it. Okay, you gotta put the phone away.